Do you have tasks that you need to repeat over and over? Is it time-consuming to do all these tasks manually? You can make it easier for yourself with our field service management software. For this, we have different types of tools you can use. In this video, I'll show you one of them, the FlowBuilder. In the FlowBuilder, you can create automated work processes. For example, adding checklists to a certain type of work order. This is how it's done. You start at the starting point where you need to choose an object to begin with. In this case, you choose a work order. Then you can define the criteria and fill out the actions. To activate this work process, you only have to click on Activate. And now you can see the result by creating an installation type of work order. Here you can see the checklist that is added to your work order. Here is another example of a relatively simple automation process. How to create an automated follow-up work order. You start at the starting point where you need to choose an object to begin with. Then you define the criteria and fill out the actions. And at last, you activate this process. Now let's see the result. Click on an existing work order and set the closure status to follow-up visit. Now your work order will appear as a follow-up visit. Here's another example of a flow. Do you want to create a work order quickly? Then you can do it by creating a flow chart of screens the user needs to go through. Here you can see an example of it. These are just some examples. There's a lot more you can do, such as approval processes, adding fields to a work order. You can also adjust the screens of a work order. You can take a look in the Salesforce App Exchange for a lot more. For questions or further information, please get in touch with us.